Most days CN M306 and Z121 will meet at CN Tarte, about 20 miles west. But not today, as 121 is running late and is still on the Napa Sub. So our friendly crew on 306 was able to keep rolling and will soon be bearing down on us. We're in Lac Baker, New Brunswick, at the ballpark, roughly mile 20.5 Pelletier Sub. It is just afternoon on December the 6th, 2025, and the wind is a bit breezy on this overcast day. CN M306 is a fairly decent sized train with 163 cars today. CN 3016 and 3954 and exCREX lease unit are running elephant style on the head end, with 8103 as the mid DPU. 8103 is one of only 4 SD70 ACE units on CN's roster. With the sounds of 306 getting closer, let's watch and enjoy CN M306 with 163 cars in Lac Baker.
CN Pelletier Sub. Aucun problème. Température -1 degré. Total essieu 6 7 0. Vitesse 4 4. CN detector Pelletier 2 1. No alarm. Temperature -1 2 C. Total axle 6 7 0. Speed 4 4.
We hope that everyone has enjoyed CN M306 with 163 cars in Lac Baker. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and become part of the railfanning family. Comment and hit that like button. Also, check out the post section of this channel for regular updates and for photos of this train and other rail-related topics. It will take 306 a while to get their big train tucked away in the yard in Edmundston before 121 can pull in, change crews, and head west. Might be nice to catch 121 in Baker Brook. So until then, Kev's Rail Fanning is hoping everyone is safe and having a great day. Cheers!